me so long to think that I had a right to be in pain. You know, like you think like, oh, I wasn't raped, I wasn't molested, I wasn't this or that. You compare yourself and you play these games and you say, well, it's okay, my life's great, I have nothing to be upset about. How can I be in pain? You do have a right to pain. You have a right to be in pain. I lost my brother, that's painful. And I was denying myself the right.
And I said, look, the mind of Gaia, the mind of the planet, is bacterial. The bacteria have been here for 2,000 million years, and they'll be here long after we are. And Gaia, the planet, Pachamama, knows that we're a parasite that's infected this planet. We're here to usher in a new relationship to nature, and to all creatures. Then they'll heal you.
Well, I think that that's the difference sort of in the shamanic culture, in an earth-based culture. You see everything as alive. You see it as a living system. I think one of the suffering and that Westerners have is everything is so compartmentalized. This is here, this, I'm separate, I'm not connected to the earth. You know, we live in high rises, far from touching, actually living, right? It's not, people don't realize that disconnection creates a lot of suffering. Like the farther we go from that, the farther we move away from our true nature.
Shamanic perspective, suffering is optional. So pain is inevitable. It's part of life. You lose a loved one, you get hurt. Pain is part of being embodied. But suffering is optional. Suffering is what happens when you don't learn directly from knowledge, from wisdom.
Right? Our adaptations shape us, and they become deep unconscious habits, right? In our embodiment, in our muscles, in how our neural pathways have been laid down. The good news is we can change
our wealth, the true wealth, to our nature as something that's external to it. And I'm saying that is the mindset they create.
I know that Einstein has that quote that says you cannot solve a problem from the same consciousness that created it. And so it feels like there's this consciousness part in terms of like us as a species growing, and it's not so much like even if we have the right technological fix, that doesn't take away the lessons that we need to learn.
It's the difference between 2 and 4. And the way climate is communicated, or global warming is communicated to us, is happening to us. And as soon as you use the word 2, you're the victim, you're the object. You know, it's happening, something else is doing something to you, and then you act or react out of that sense of objectification. You know, I didn't do it, it wasn't my fault, it wasn't my idea, it wasn't my plan, I'm not the one who caused it, etc. And when you change that preposition to 4, it's actually happening for us. Climate change is a gift.
This kind of being in community and working together, right? You guys remember this teaching story? This is a story about a Nanda who was one of the Buddha's most trusted disciples. She came to the Buddha and said, am I right? You know, this being together in community like this is half of the holy life, right? This is half of it. And he famously said to her, no, it's not half of the holy life. It's all.
It's much quicker. It's so much easier to cancel a meeting and reschedule a meeting now because we lost that beautiful commitment sense of ourselves. I'm not saying that our parents got it right. What I'm saying is that there are things that are right in there. And that's why I don't see as much of it today. And I find that in myself too. I'm like that too. And so when I see that in myself, I'm like, this is why I'm doing it. This is what I could do better. This is why I could do better.
I feel that grief humanizes us. And turning away from grief dehumanizes us. So the power to touch into a human emotion that is so difficult to allow ourselves to be inhabited by. But when we do allow it, it washes through us. We become more of who we really are.
That is the purpose. And I think that's why examples are important. Because for me, a lot of the examples that came to me that were there
communities. But I feel like, especially if you're a leader, a practitioner, or a teacher,
having the courage to actually just create the space, create the community is the most important thing, because then when something God forbid happens, your community's already there. It's already in place. And then that's when people believe you and they can they trust your voice. And then that's when I start to bring in discussions that are about, gun control.
I love to work with Chicago healers. The clip I played was from my maestro that I worked with and we collaborated with for years with other healers. I have such a deep respect for the Amazonian plant world, those who carry the medicine, make the medicine, made by 4 indigenous ants in the jungle over fires with a 5-day process of cooking, right? I just love that.
Start the healing is beyond the function of the brain, beyond the function of your thinking mind.
And this helps clear energy. Each piece is programmed with different information, and somewhat you're wearing the other one. Come so we can just see. Show this is slightly different colors so you can see, and it